Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to use Instagram live streaming for business. Let's get right into it. Instagram Live is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience in real time. Here's how to use it effectively. Number 1, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? E.g., increase brand awareness, drive sales, build relationships. Number 2, plan your live stream. Choose a topic relevant to your audience and business. Create an outline to stay on track. Promote your live in advance on your stories and feed. Pick a good time when your audience is most active. Number 3, during the live feed, introduce yourself and your topic. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments and questions, provide value, offer insight, tips, or entertainment. Show behind the scenes, give viewers an exclusive look. Use call to action. Encourage viewers to visit your website or follow you. Number 4, types of live stream. Q&A sessions, answer customer questions, product demos, showcase your products in actions, interviews, host live interviews with experts or influencers, behind the scenes, show your company culture, announcements, share new products or promotions. Number 5, after the live stream, save your live to your IGTV or Reels. Share highlights on your stories, analyze insights to improve future live streams, engage with viewers, respond to comments and DMs. Here are some key tips. Ensure a stable internet connection. Use good lighting and audio. Be authentic and engaging. Promote your live stream across other social media platforms. And that is how to use Instagram live streaming for business.